powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Weber Q1200 and the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. What are you planning to use the grill for? That'll help narrow it down.
Well, mostly for small family dinners, maybe some tailgating. Portability is kind of important.
Okay, so the Weber Q1200 is definitely more portable. It weighs only 30 pounds, compared to the Nexgrill's hefty 70 pounds.
Wow, that's a big difference. Is the Nexgrill better in other areas then?
It does have a larger cooking area, 401 square inches versus the Weber's 189. So if you're cooking for a slightly bigger crowd, the Nexgrill might be better. And it has two burners, putting out 28,000 BTUs compared to Weber's single burner with 8,500 BTUs.
More heat, huh? So faster cooking?
Potentially, yeah. Plus, the Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which some people prefer for even heat distribution. The Weber also has porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates.
Okay, so the cooking surface is pretty much the same. What about fuel?
Both are propane, but the Nexgrill can be converted to natural gas, which is a nice option if you have a natural gas line.
Good point. I don't have one now, but maybe in the future. What about the price?
The Weber Q1200 is around $259, and the Nexgrill Deluxe is pretty close at $265. So, price-wise, they're pretty similar. The Nexgrill is being advertised as on sale from $545, so it's a good deal.
Okay, so smaller and more portable versus larger cooking area and convertible fuel. What about durability?
Both seem pretty durable. The Weber has a cast aluminum lid and body, while the Nexgrill uses stainless steel and porcelain-coated steel.
Okay, so it sounds like it boils down to portability and size. Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.